The Massca M2 pocket hole jig is changing the standard for pocket hole jigs. Crafted for the stability and versatility of your joinery needs, our new M2 model is here and we've added a special touch to it. Our new M2 jig makes it easier than ever to work with longer pieces of lumber and repeat measurements. Each model comes with 2 lockable steel stabilizing bars and support stop blocks that adjust laterally to the exact length of your desired measurement to provide more stability and versatility to your pocket hole cuts. The Massca Pro aluminum pocket hole jig system M2 features a well-balanced full-body aluminum frame and hardened steel drill guides to provide a reliable woodworking support base in the workshop or on the worksite. Our jig's metal construction ensures a tough and heavy-duty pocket hole jig that's meant to last a lifetime while also feeling sleek to the touch. Drill pocket holes with ease and efficiency with the Massca Twin Pocket Hole Jig Set. The Massca Twin Pocket Hole Jig is the perfect tool for creating pocket holes with ease and efficiency. Use the Massca Jig to create custom carpentry build-ins or for do-it-yourself projects with wood. Our pocket hole jig is a great go-to tool for home improvements and repairs. Thanks to its unique magnetic quick adjust base system, the design of the Massca Pocket Hole Jig provides rapid and simple operation to make it one of the fastest and easiest jigs available. No marking out is required when using the Massca Jig. This pocket hole jig features a built-in workpiece thickness scale, drill depth setting, and setup gauge for easy check-in of dimensions, fast operation, and quick drilling of joints. The Massca Jig's reliable construction features hardened steel drill guides to supply long life.
The revealer goes from 0 to 5/8 or 0 to 15 millimeter, depending on where you're at. You slide it to whichever you desire. 3/16 happens to be the most standard in the US for windows and doors. Slide it to 3/16, just covering the line, tighten the screw, and you're good to go. Okay, so this step of the tool is designed to fit between the door and the jamb on the hinge side, so you won't be able to get your 3/16 reveal on that side because the door is in the way. So when you have this extended, slide this in between the door and the jamb by the hinges and you mark it that way, and that's a 3/16 reveal. This part of the tool is the jamb reveal, used to set the space between the door and the jamb. It's 9/64 of an inch thick, which is the same distance that a hinge creates when it's closed.